Hello guys, we are definitely back again for today. I still believe that most people can easily make a living by simply trading arbitrage. It is the easiest way to trade cryptocurrency without any major risk, and it's not complicated at all. For those of you that are interested in sports betting arbitrage or crypto cross exchange arbitrage, chat us up using the Telegram link in the description of this video. As you all know, all we do is to teach you ways of making money online using cryptocurrency arbitrage, sports betting arbitrage, cross exchange arbitrage, and many other ways of making money online. So if this is what you're interested in, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you anytime we upload more videos like this. On today, we spotted this cross exchange arbitrage opportunity in which you'll be making use of these two exchanges, KuCoin and MEXC. KuCoin and MEXC. So guys, on KuCoin, we spotted this token SN3/USDT. This token is being sold here on KuCoin 0.000278 here on KuCoin 0.000278 here on KuCoin. Don't forget SN3/USDT token. So guys, when we move over to MEXC, you guys know that what we are doing here is a cross exchange arbitrage opportunity. So guys, on MEXC, you can see that SN3/USDT, SN3/USDT on MEXC. This token is being sold here on MEXC 0.00029896 here on MEXC. So guys, if you know anything about arbitrage, you should know that there is a price difference in the two exchanges that we are using for today. Meanwhile, all you have to do is to check the liquidity on both sides. If you keep doubting arbitrage won't work for you. For those of you that says that arbitrage doesn't work, arbitrage really works. Your life can even change with arbitrage depending on the capital you are using. As we are going to keep posting videos every day to make sure you make money on a daily basis. You make your own research and know where you dive into in these arbitrage opportunities. Like I usually tell you guys that I'm not a financial advisor. I only create educational content. It is a quick disclaimer. For those of you that are still interested in sports betting arbitrage or crypto cross exchange arbitrage, chat us up using the Telegram link in the description of these videos. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates. Turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you anytime we upload more videos like this, so that you'll be the first to watch this video. It is very, very important, guys.